Hello, testing, testing. Testing, hopefully my mic is not peaking. Hello, hello. Bam. Hi. Is the model gonna show up? Oh, hi. There we go. Good morning. It's been a while. My internet is finally working today. Hi. How you guys doing? Do you guys even remember what we're working on? We were making this silly Bop It toy. You can start, flick it, spin it, twist it, flick it, pop it, flick it, flick it.
Touch me.
Yeah, well, the point is we have this really dumb Bop It with sound effects from Ghost Stories, the anime, and we're going to deploy it to the cloud today, to a actual, instead of localhost 5173 where only I can play on my own computer, other people can access it too. So the plan is we're going to deploy it to GitHub, and yeah, that's the plan. I've never done this before, by the way, so I'm going to need lots of help from ChatGPT. I've already pulled up a prompt here. Apparently, I need to do some code changes and then push it to GitHub and then run the command. Yeah. It doesn't seem too complicated, at least on paper, but this is the first time I've done this. Anything can go wrong, so yeah. Okay. I thought I had a progress bar somewhere here. Where did my progress bar go? Oh, there we go. Can I copy this progress bar to the web dev? Oh, nice. Properties, refresh. There we go. Isn't that cool? Okay, now we have some milestones that we can look forward to. Like up there, start, push code to GitHub, make deployment code changes, deploy, and completion. Okay, I'm ready. Here we go. Maybe I should also move my screen, the display of my screen downward so the bar isn't blocking it. That's good enough. Okay, so first step is to actually push my code to GitHub. GitHub is this online place where you can push your code. github.com. Okay, I have not even made a project for this actually. Do they have any recommended settings to push to GitHub? They just straight up say push to any origin. Excuse me, I just sneezed. Okay, let's make a whole new project for this then. Repository name, we'll call it maybe cursed Bop It. Can I name it? Oh, capital letters. The usual naming convention for projects. Oh yeah, I did all caps. Okay. And one word. Description. World's most cursed 3D Bop It browser game. Let's see. I think I need some I want it to be public because everyone can see it. I think I need some additional permissions for it to be private too. And add a README file, no need. Create repository. Okay, nice. I also have some... Okay, so if I do git status here, I see that I still have some changes. I have no idea what these changes are. Okay, I changed some... I guess I changed some audio. What am I doing here? Excuse me. Oh, okay, I changed the starting state so that there's no starting state. And... I see. And then I have a function for starting the game, and I assume I added a start button calling use effect. Okay, that makes sense. Also, I have a random console.print somewhere here, so I need to get rid of it. Console, yeah. Otherwise, the code should be good. So I'll just WQ to exit out of that. Git status. Git add everything, and then git commit. And then I'll say commit before push to GitHub repo. Okay, so that's this command, git branch and main. Do I have to do this command? What branch am I even on right now? Git branch. I just realized y'all probably can't see what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna move my chat over here, maybe. Okay. I'm on the master branch. Maybe should I make a main branch? Is that gonna deviate from the master branch? Git log. Okay, so main is still here. Okay, that's good. And then they say git remote add origin, and then you can push it there. Very nice. Oh, cool. It didn't ask me for any login stuff. And then I can git push u origin main. I have no idea what the underscore, -u flag is. Oh, okay, now it's asking for stuff. Username is chat spinny eyes. I made a GitHub account. Password is... What? Authentication failed. Oh, wait. Hold on. Support for password authentication was removed on August 13th. Oh. Oh, wait. So do I have to do token authentication now? That's kind of annoying. They're using some sort of token thing now, right? Huh. Please see here for information on currently recommended modes of authentication. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna open this in my usual incognito window. Cloning with HTTP, okay. Cloning with CLI. Wait, where does it say how to authenticate? Cloning with, okay, maybe here. Dismiss. Git will ask you for GitHub username and password. When Git prompts you for your password, enter your personal access token. They should be more clear on this on the... See, they say password. They should say token instead if they're gonna enforce this. That's kind of bad communication. Credential helper like Git credential manager. Managing your personal access tokens. Alternatively, okay, this is an alternate decision. or option, managing your personal access tokens. Classic. Okay, so how do I make this? Settings, developer settings, personal access tokens. Ooh, I feel like I've already done this. This seems really familiar. Where do I go again? Click profile photo, settings, profile photo. Where are the settings? Settings, oh, here, settings. Generate, wait, developer settings, personal access tokens. Developer settings, personal access tokens. Ooh, okay, I might need to hide the screen here because I might leak my own personal access token. See you in a bit. Tokens classic. Yeah, I do have a token. Why do I not remember what this token is though? Maybe I'll generate a new token. Wait, I'll delete my current token. Generate new token. Okay. I'll call it classic token. Expiration, let it not expire. Can I just select all permissions? Yes, all permissions. Give me all the permissions. And in case you're just tuning in now, I'm giving myself a GitHub token and y'all can't see because I'm trying to hide my token. Okay, I got it. Good thing I hit my screen, man. It actually displays my GitHub token full blast. Okay. We back. So I'm just gonna paste my token here. Get spinny eyes, that's my username. Hopefully it doesn't display my whole token if I paste here. Okay, let me just be safe. Hide my screen. Nice, okay, it did not. It accepted the password. So excuse me for a second, I'm gonna go blow my nose. Alright, I'm back. Soham? Oh, hi Soham. How you doing? My chat is really difficult to read now. Hello. Hi Sohan, welcome to the stream. How you doing? I'm trying to expand my readable chat in OBS. Okay, that's better, I guess. But yeah, hi, how you doing? I'm back, by the way. I think I might have very severe allergies today, or I might be a little sick. But we're deploying our new 3D Bop It game. Just fine, what about you? I'm doing okay. See, I think I might be a little bit sick or have a little bit allergies. I can't tell which one. Yeah, sounds fun. Have you seen this before? I'm trying to deploy it to GitHub right now, to a GitHub Pages thing. Basically deploy it to production so other people can play with it too. There's still a lot of changes I want to make in general. Like I want to well, I wanted to have a better starting position. So far, it comes in like this, and you have to be like, oh, that's a Bop It. But hey, it's okay. I can still make changes after I push it to GitHub. But yeah, I'm having ChatGPT help me on what to do. By the way, I think I just pushed it to GitHub, to a repo, github.com. Excuse me. Cursed Bop It. Does it have all my code changes now? Oh, it does. Nice. Not releasing it for the first time though. Well, you want to see me play around with it? Let me know if you can hear the sound, by the way, so you can start the game. Look it.
Touch me.
Pop it. Twist it. Oh. Look it.
Touch me harder.
Twist it. Spin it. Pull it. Spin it. Flick it. Spin it. Soham says, wow, it's gonna be fun playing around with it. Hey, thank you. Yeah, the middle button, I actually put sound effects from the anime called Ghost Stories, the dub. That's why you hear the really weird ha 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 and quotes. Yeah, I wanna... It'd be funny if users can actually configure their own sound for the Bop It noise. But that's for the future. I'm just worried about deploying it right now. Okay. Oh wait, so we've already pushed the code to GitHub. That means I can play my awesome sound effects. Progress bar, properties, whoop. How do I do this? Progress bar, interact. Okay, watch this. Watch the progress bar on top. This is my first time doing this. Hold on. Yay! Oh, it froze. No. Is the confetti gonna disappear? Oh, there it goes. Wait, let's try again. Okay, it's stuck. No, the code didn't work. Can I refresh? Confetti! Yay! We deployed it to GitHub. Woo. Are you proud of me, Soham? Still looks cool. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, the next step is to make the code changes that are necessary for it to actually, run as an app on GitHub pages. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna rely a lot on ChatGPT here because I've never deployed an app onto GitHub before. Okay, what does it even say here? Install GitHub pages, save dev. Okay, whatever you say, GitHub. I mean, ChatGPT. There we go. Install that dependencies. Update package.json. Okay. Package.json. I have so much packages.json. Bop It 4, I think. That's where I'm at, right? Bop It. Where is this? App.tsx. Yes, I'm on Bop It 4. Okay. So what does it say to do? Homepage. Your username, GitHub /repo name. Okay, sure. Where do I add this homepage though? Bop It, scripts, dependencies. Well, yeah, where do I add this? ChatGPT, you need to be more specific than this. Where do I add this in package.json? Is it the root? Is it scripts? Dependencies? Also, I don't know if you can tell, someone is mowing the lawn outside. Hopefully the microphone doesn't pick up. Oh, okay, on the root. My hunch was correct. So I'll copy this. They put it right below the version, so I'll do the same. Wait, that's not the right command. Oh, this one. Homepage. But of course, I'll have to use my own GitHub username, which is, I don't know if they want this one, the capitalized versions of it, or the regular one I type in when I actually log in. So I'll just do Chet Spinny Eyes. That's the username I usually type in, and the repo name. Repo name is Bop It. Bop It. I hope that's right. I think that's what it means. Okay. Your profile. Chet Spinny Eyes. Does capitalization matter here? Can I ask ChatGPT this? Does capitalization matter? Yes. Oh no. If your username is John Doe, how do I tell what my username is? There's like two things displayed. How do I tell what my username is? When I log in, I type Chet Spinny Eyes, but GitHub says Chet Spinny Eyes capitalized. Your username is case insensitive for login, but okay, so even though GitHub shows your username as Chet Spinny Eyes, that is the correct capitalization. Oh, okay. Okay. Your profile picture, your profile. Oh. Your profile. Oh, okay, so it is capitalized. My hunch was right, okay. So this should be chetspinnyeyes.github.io/cursebopit. Okay. Okay, it was good. Using this takes your account though. Using this takes your account though? Okay, what does that mean? Okay. Deploy to GitHub pages. Wait, we're not at that step yet. Okay, update package.json, and then you add a scripts here. Oh, scripts is here. Redeploy. npm run build, deploy, GitHub pages, -d build. Do we have any? Okay, we don't have any similar names here. That should be good. The keys are unique. And then that's it? We just push the code to GitHub? That's it? Wait, is that actually it? That's all the changes we need? I sent the link of your profile without the capitalized username, just everything in small and it works. You sent me something? Wait, where? Did you send it to me on Discord? Chet Spinny Eyes. Oh, it does work. Alright, so ChatGPT was wrong. Alright, so I guess capitalization doesn't matter here, but I think to be safe, I would just leave it like this, just in case. Oh, okay. Apparently that's all the changes that we need. We just need to change this and that. Okay. Git status. So yes, we changed those two things. Yeah, okay. I don't know what else to say. Is that actually it? That seems really simple. Do I have to git install again or git whatever? Okay, I'll just do a git add everything, git commit, code changes needed for deployment. Is that actually it? I'm so paranoid. And then we do a git push to push it to our repo. Chat spinny eyes. Oh no, it's gonna ask me for a token again. I don't think I have it anymore. No. 2 lines of text. Nope. No, I need another token. God dang it. Okay, settings. I might need to hide my screen again because I need a token. Why, GitHub, don't you accept passwords anymore? Personal access tokens. Okay, we'll be right back. I'm gonna get a token. Right, okay, so it does not even let me access the same token. Generate new token, classic token. Pushing. I'll enable all permissions for myself when I generate the token. Wow, look at me, I'm coding. Okay. I enable all the permissions. Generate token. Copy token. Okay, we good. I should also save this token somewhere. Give me a moment. I will copy this down on Notepad somewhere. Notepad. Okay, I'm gonna save this as super secret token. GitHub token. Okay. Alright, we back. I just pushed it. So if this works, then we've hit our next checkpoint. Home. Curse Bop It is here. Commit before push to GitHub repo. Wait, hold on. Code changes needed for deployment. Did we hit our milestone? Homepage. Yay! I think we did it, boys. Checkpoint. Yay! Isn't this progress bar lovely? What's the next step? Just deploy? Okay. So push the code to GitHub, push your code, and deploy to GitHub pages. Is that actually it? You can deploy just by running a command? Really? So I can just say npm run deploy, really? Build your React app, push the /build folder to GitHub pages branch on GitHub. Really? That's it? Please work. Please work. Fingers crossed. I imagine it's gonna take a little while to build and then deploy, right? It's not gonna be instantaneous, is it? No, it didn't work. Why? No such file directory stat bop it /build. Do I need a build directory? Let me enlarge this. Documents, VS Code, bop it /build. Oh, do I have to make that directory? New folder, build. Let me just confirm with ChatGPT 2. npm run deploy. When I run this, I get this error. what do I need to do here? I'm not going to give it any hints of what I'm thinking. The build folder doesn't exist. Okay. You need to run the build step first and make sure it succeeds. Oh. Oh, okay. npm run build. The build step may... Okay. No, okay. npm run build. Build is this thing. Is that actually right? Oh, look, it succeeded. Nice. There's nothing in this folder. Built in 6.10 seconds. Is this right? I have no idea. How do I know if it's doing the right thing? I did just run npm run build, didn't I? And then it's under ist folder, I think. Dist folder? Dist? Is it? Public, node modules. Is this it? Public. Oh. Oh. Okay. Can I ask ChatGPT? My build folder is still empty after running npm run build, but my dist folder is not. Was that where it was built? Oh, thank you. Okay, yes, I am using Vite. So your GitHub pages setup needs to use the dist folder when deploying. Fix your package.json. Oh, that's what you need. Okay. So you need a dist here. Okay. Maybe I should have specified to ChatGPT I'm using GitHub pages dist. Okay. Thanks, Soham. That was helpful. Deploy steps recap for Vite. Okay, thanks. That, and then npm run deploy. npm run deploy. Please, work. I'm begging you, Git. If you want help setting up Vite with GitHub pages routing. No. What happened here? The pattern in the source property didn't match any files. At object publish. The pattern in the source property didn't match any files. That means nothing to me. Okay. The pattern in the source property didn't match any files means GitHub pages couldn't find your dist folder. What? It wasn't built yet, or we're in the wrong working directory. Am I not in the right directory? Dist. GitHub page configuration issue. Try asking ChatGPT, can explain better. Let's walk through a full fix for deploying a Vite plus React or React Fiber app to GitHub pages, step-by-step fix. Run this to check. Make sure you're in Bop It 4, okay. Print working directory. I am in VS Code, the pane of coding. Bop It 4, yes. Add correct scripts to package.json. So my scripts is dev is vite, build is, oh, vite build. Do I need to change to vite build? My scripts are different. Redeploy npm run build. Okay, this might be the factor. Is it? My scripts looks different. Is this the cause of the issue? I imagine the build is completely different. You're compiling TypeScript with TSS using project references -b. As long as both of these succeed and produce a dist folder, it's fine. Okay. That's not the issue then. Should I change this to match what they have? Set base and viteconfig.js. Oh, we didn't do this. Viteconfig.js. Viteconfig.js here. Okay. This tells Vite to generate paths like Bop It 4/assets so GitHub pages can load them properly. Ooh, this seems important. It seems important. My imports are good. Export default define config. Base/Bop It 4. Or match your repo name. Match your repo name. Wait, what does that mean? So does this mean I need to actually put my... Ooh. But my repo name and my base folder name are different. My root project folder name and repo name is different. Do I still use repo name? I imagine yes, so curse Bop It is. Curse Bop It. Yes, you should always use a repo name. Okay. But then that means it won't work locally though, right? Repo name. So they load correctly from the subdirectory. Okay. Okay, so we got this now. Are you running deploy from the correct directory? You must run from the root of the project. Yeah? Okay, so npm run deploy. Okay, it's running. No, it didn't work. Try manually verifying cd dist. If it's empty, your vite build might be silently failing. In that case, try running npx vite build debug. My dist is definitely not empty. Public. I can also delete the build folder. Move to recycle bin. Dist. I feel like it is building. cd dist list. Nope, dist is definitely full. That'll pinpoint fast. Okay, still not working. Whoop. Again, after running npm run build or run deploy, I get this. And this folder is not empty. but GitHub pages still can't find it. That strongly points to a path or shell environment issue, especially on Windows with WSL. Oh, I am using WSL, which you're using. GitHub pages is likely having trouble resolving the dist folder path due to mixed slashes or drive prefixes. Oh no. mnt/c. Use GitHub pages programmatically. No. npm run deploy. Switch to node script that resolves paths properly across environments. Oh no, this is so complicated. Update pack. Should I do this? Okay, this doesn't seem too bad. Is this worth doing? I have no idea if ChatGPT is just bullshitting right now. Use cross environment for safer path resolution. Well, I don't really have any other choice right now. Is building or deploying to GitHub really this annoying on WSL? Okay, let me try this. Well, first git status. My branch is completely up to date, really? Is it? Oh, I didn't save this. Hold on. Is it because I didn't save it? Oh no. Git commit. Update vite config. Maybe I should try running it again then. Instead of Bop It 4, it would be the name of the... Oh, this was an old thing. Okay. Thank you. Do I need to push it to GitHub again? My changes? Because in that case, I need my token again. Give me 1 second as I fetch my token from wherever I pasted it. There we go. We back. This app still works, right? Okay. Git status, add everything, git commit. I thought I already... Did I not already commit this, or was I hallucinating? Okay. Git commit, git message, update vite config, git push, chat spinny eyes. Okay, now we can try the git publish. npm run deploy. Okay, fingers crossed. Place your bets, kiddos. Do you think this will work? I hope it works. Otherwise, things are going to get really messy. And I'm not talking about the football messy. No! Oh, wait. It's different now. No such file directory. Document/VS Code/build. Is it still looking for build? Wait, I didn't save this either. Holy. Dang. Okay, it's looking promising though. Git commit build to dist. Do I have to push it again? Git push. Chat spinny. Enable autosave, I guess, also mess up sometimes by not saving. Yeah. Okay, one more try. npm run deploy. Please work. Fingers crossed. Please. Oh my gosh. Is it? Oh! It did it! Wait, no. Let's not count our chickens before they hatch and knock on wood, knock on wood. It's asking me for a username now. Oh. Chat. Spinny eyes. Chat spinny eyes. And the password. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's published. It's published. Oh. Did it work? It's not gonna be instantaneous, is it? Oh, hi, Brime. Hello. Okay, no. Let's not count our chickens before they hatch. Knock on wood, knock on wood. Let's not jinx it yet. Where is it gonna show up? What's the website again? Okay, view your site here. And that's not the site. Oh, here. It's not gonna be instantaneous though, right? ChatGPT, how long will the site take to show up? I assume it needs to build in the cloud. Okay, when you run npm run deploy, then automatically serves those files as a static site. Usually the site is live within a minute or two after deployment. Wow. So... Oh! It's live! It's live. You can access at chatspinnyeyes.github.io/cursebopit. Ayo! Wait. The progress bar. We successfully deployed it! Yay! I love my new progress bar. Whoa! That's awesome. Twist it. Pull it.
Touch me.
Yeah. Spin. Flick it. Oh, pull it. Spin it. Flick it. Oh, I will link it. Oh wait, I just realized you can't see the website. Oh, this is a really good day. Okay, if you're watching on Twitch, I'll link it on Twitch. I'm not logged in on Twitch. Balmakan the Curse says, "Hi sir, how are you? I'm doing so good." I just deployed my first React app. Holy shizzle. This day is so good. Chat. Spinny eyes. Okay, for all you Twitch people. Spinny eyes. Where's the chat? Oh. No! Okay, whatever. I have to log into Twitch to do this. Fine. I'll open a non-incognito window. YouTube. Wait, how do I access my own stream? View your channel. Oh, there we go. Wait, how do I... Guys, go play Bop It. There. Move my chat this way. Oh. Today is a very nice day. Yeah. There's Man, I thought I was gonna have to do some really weird code changes to get this up, but I just didn't save my changes. Man, ChatGPT. Well, I guess ChatGPT was doing its best to help, but... Oh wait, that means, because I'm complete now, I can do the celebration of the progress bar. Yay, we're done. Whoa. Oh, there's actually a lot of things I still want to change about the game, but I can make changes even after it's deployed, which is nice. Also, I can't believe it deployed that fast. It literally took like 2 minutes. There are some things I want to change. First off, the starting position is really crap. Like, what is this starting position? I want it to start off like this instead, so you can see the entire Bop It. Yeah. Should we try to get a high score? Let me know what your high score is too, if you choose to play.
Touch me harder. Touch me harder. Touch me.
Nope, no high score tracker right now. There's no multiplayer. Look it doesn't remember anything. Oh. Yeah, I would need a database or something to track high scores. And yeah, I don't know how to implement that right now. So everything is just local. That would be really cool though. Maybe future. So yeah, no high scores tracker. We'll just take your word for it. Yeah. Oh, by the way, did I tell you guys an idea I've been having recently? I want to host some sort of hackathon where we get a bunch of coding VTubers and we have 3 weeks of our own time to make the dumbest or most cursed app possible. And then when we're done, we do a Shark Tank style pitch in front of a panel of judges, and then the judges will, I don't know, invest their pool of monies into what they think is the dumbest app or what they think is their favorite app, and whoever has the most monies invested to them wins. Yeah. But for this, I will need people who are willing to code. And also, the scores tracker kind of blocks the Bop It button. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that is kind of annoying, huh? I can actually remove all these texts. Give me 1 second. I can actually, let me see how fast it is to make changes to this game in real time. Brian says, makes it hard to click. The score tracker kind of blocks the Bop It. The score tracker is this thing, right? Okay, I can totally just remove it. So this is my local app.tsx. The debug text. Okay, the game over is needed. The start button is needed. The press is not needed. The timer is definitely not needed. These things aren't needed. The score is needed, okay. Wait, can I not comment these out? Can I just do that? And I'll make the game over and actual button press button smaller. It's still there for some reason. Hello, Bop It. Oh, okay. Wow, H2 is really small. Should I bring it back to H1? Oh, I think I know why it's not updating in real time. I have to do cho edar use polling equals true, and then npm run dev. Yeah, okay. If I do this... Okay, I think that's better. Also, I want to start off... I think the camera should be further away at first. Yeah? I want to style the big text to be smaller too. How do I do that? Public? No, not public. Source? CSS. Do I have any H1? H1, oh, here. The font size should be way smaller. Do 2? 2.5 maybe? That seems about right, okay. Okay. Cool, let me push this change in. Let's see how fast it takes. I want to start a timer actually. Git status. So git add all of those. Git commit. Make gets cleanup debug text. Okay, give me one moment while I copy my GitHub token again. That's kind of annoying. I should probably save it as a variable in my console somewhere. Okay, we back. Okay. I just committed it, right? Okay. Git push. So my username is Chet Spinny Eyes. That's my stuff. Okay. I'm actually so curious how... Let's start a timer, yeah? Let's start a timer. Let's see how fast it actually deploys. I'm so curious. Timer or stopwatch. Okay. So I have to do npm run deploy, I think. Is that what the command is? Package.json, npm run deploy. Yeah, okay. Go. No! Pressed is declared, but the value is never read. Really? Why does it care? Set pressed. Oh, is it because one of the... Huh. What can I do about this though? Can I do, like in Python, you put the underscore in front of it? Really? That's the fix? That's it? Okay. Really? Really? Okay. Well, timer stopped for now. Git status. Does this build? Okay, Chokidar is working. Git status. Because I have to save it.
Touch me harder.
Okay, it seems to be working. status git add everything. Also, I don't know why the music is just starting now. Git commit amend. Oh, how do I get out of this? Bruh. How do I get out of this? I want to exit. Oh, okay. Git status. Really, that's it? Git log. Clean up debug text. Did it actually see my changes? Holy. Okay. Back into a git push again. Chat spinny eyes. Because the tip of your current branch is behind. What? Updates were rejected because the tip of your current branch is behind. Git pull before pushing again. What is it talking about? I just have a underscore pressed here. Git log. Fine, I'll do a git pull. Wait, why is the remote different though? No. I'm so confused. Okay. Chat.openai.com. Need some more help from ChatGPT. How to replace current git branch with remote branch. Yes, I want to discard local changes. It's not that bad. Oh, here. Cool. Okay. So now I do the whole underscore thing here. Save it. Git add everything. Git commit. And do a custom message this time. Make pressed unused. Very nice. And then I do a git push. I need to fetch my GitHub token again. I should really save this in a environment variable. Back. Push. Chat. Spinny eyes. That's my password. Good, okay. Now we can do the whole stopwatch stick. npm run deploy. Bam. Okay, stopwatch. How fast does it take to deploy? Of course, it's going to ask me for my username and password too, which will take up time. But I've tried deploying stuff the regular way in GitHub Pages before. Oh, chat spinny eyes. Published. Wait, what's the website? Cursed. Forgot the website. Oh, here, cursed Bop It. I forgot the T at the end. Still not deployed. Did I not take out the debug text here? No, I did. Yeah, we just have the score now and the button. Oh, stop it, stop it. Oh, 1 minute 23 seconds. That's fast, man. Dang. Okay. Well, Brian, if you're still here, let me know it's better. You can also zoom in and out, by the way, the Bop It. Wee. I think this is better too. The UI is more clean. Though. Also, I found a bug already in my game. The music only plays when you're clicking on the front in the beginning when the game loads. That kind of sucks. I want the music to be always playing. It's okay. I'm the developer of this game, I can fix it. Main is it model.tsx? Background music. Oh wait, this might be more complicated than I thought. Because the model needs to reference the background music too. Constant background music. 37. Brian got 37. Okay. Dang. That's like a world record, right? I guess technically it is a world record. Because nobody else is playing the game. Handle click. You know what? I might be able to do a hack here, like a temporary quick hack. Wow. Before I figure out the actual solution. JavaScript audio component. How to check if it's already playing and play it when it's not already playing. You can use the pause property. If audio.pause, audio.play. Oh, okay. Okay. This is exactly what I need. So on click, okay, speed up background music. So we also want to play it if it's not already being played. Background music. Current. There. Because I think browsers have this weird thing that you can't actually launch a background music automatically playing because the user has to like consent to it by clicking somewhere. Yeah. Okay, let's refresh this. Start. Oh. Awesome, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna push out this change too. This is a good change. Git status, git add, git commit, play music on click. Yeah. Now people will actually hear the music. Git push, spinny eyes. And I don't have the Don't get copied anymore, no. Da 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 da. Da da. Spinny eyes. Okay. npm publish. Wait, no, not publish. npm run deploy. Okay, you guys are gonna get the music changed soon. And hopefully it'll be more enjoyable. You guys are just currently playing with the Bop It in a bright white void with no music. How can you be sane? Chat. Spinny eyes. Published. Okay, I've shut down my localhost. When is it gonna come in? Music, please. Play the music. If you click any Bop It button, the music should play. Hello? It played! You guys can hear the music now. Yeah.
Touch me harder. Touch me. Touch me harder. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me harder.
Get.
Touch me. Touch me. Touch me harder.
Oh, I beat Brian.
Touch me.
Oh, it's Z. Hi, Z. Thank you for the raid. You can raid on YouTube now? I thought you need to give specific permissions. Well, hi Obsession, how you doing? Z raid. Wow. Hi Z, how you doing? Well, you guys came here at a really nice time. You know what I just did? You know what I just did? I just deployed my first React website. You can access on chatspinnyeyes.github.io/cursebopit. I made a Curse Bop It toy. Dang. Holy. That's crazy. So many people in the chat. Yeah, you didn't give permission, but we did an unofficial one, lol. Hi. Look what I made. It's a 3D Bop It in a browser. Thanks, Z. I appreciate it. Whoa! 3D Bop It. And you can play it too. Woohoo! It's the Bop It. I'm gonna make this full screen, by the way, so people can see it. You know what? I'm just gonna spend this stream trying to get a high score. You are welcome to play along with me. You can play it, yes. Go to this website. It's a very ugly website right now. Wait. Yeah. Sorry, it might be very hard to type, but chatspinnyeyes.github.io/cursebopit. This website? You know what? I should totally just... Whoa. Let's see. I can paste it in the chat too. Y'all are gonna see my YouTube. Yeah. Chat spinny eyes. I need to navigate to my own chat too because I don't have it open. I am dev. I need to No, create channel to join the chat. YouTube, why are you like this? Okay, new window. Oh, create channel to join the chat. There you go, huh? Can I pin? I have no idea how to pin stuff. Oh, pin message. There we go. Yeah. By the way, I realize some people have said it before, but the UI is... The text might be blocking the Bop It, but you can zoom out. And that's a bug fix I need to make. Anyways, high score time.
Touch me harder.
Twist it. Oh, no.
Touch me. Touch me harder. Touch me harder.
What? No! Oh wait, I'm actually dumb as heck. That's the link to this stream, really? There you go. Do you guys know where that quote is from, by the way? It's from Ghost Stories, the anime. Ghost Stories, Rabbit.
You are pathetic.
When he died, I was so sad that I would never hear that voice again. His laugh. His funny little requests.
Touch me.
His reprimands.
Touch me harder.
Shirotabi, please forgive me for bringing you back to life. I know now that it could never work between us. As much as we wanted to, it could never be. Not because you're a rabbit, but because you're black.
Look what I've...
I love this show. Prime says the anime for the studio didn't care what the dub was, so they had just had fun with it. Yeah, I heard rumors about that too. Apparently, yeah, apparently the ratings are really bad in Japan.
Touch me.
So they were like, just do whatever you want. They actually just did whatever they want in the English dub. Well,
Touch me harder. Touch me harder.
What? Oh, flick it. Ah!
Touch me.
What? Twist it. No. This game feels somewhat erotic for some reason. What are you talking about? There's nothing erotic about this. It says touch me because I'm on the button. You know, I want to set some milestones for the progress bar above. There's so much dot in the chat. Anyways, I want to update the progress bar on the top since we just finished deploying it. Maybe let's set the milestones to like, I don't know, to our scores. Where? Oh, here. Let's do easy score 20. That's our very small goal. Score 35. That sounds very challenging already. And then score 45. No, screw it, let's make it 50. Completion. Okay, let's save this. Okay, progress bar, properties, refresh cache. Okay, cool. It's gaming time. Well, okay. First we'll go to 20 and 35 and then 50. Okay. Yeah, 50 is going to be really difficult.
Touch me.
Look, I can do it upside down. Ooh. Ah. No, I'm going to do it right side up.
Harder. Touch me.
No. 20. Look it. Oh. Alright. We got the 20, boys! And the screen just froze, hooray. Also, I realized you guys can't see because I'm blocking it. God damn it. I need to figure out why the confetti keeps freezing. Maybe it's a video playback issue, who knows. Also, I'll move you guys to here. Next goal is like 35, right? I can barely even see on my OBS. Yeah, 35. But we're already really close to that.
Touch me harder.
Spin it. Oh.
Touch me harder. Touch me harder. Touch me. Touch me harder. Touch me harder.
No! I was so close to the 35. I have a question. Do you know, or do we know and stuff? I have been trying to create an ESP32 project, but it just works sometimes. But it just works sometimes when I have to take it to my uni and it doesn't work. What's Arduino? Arduino, I have no idea what that is. Oh. Is it? It's like a Raspberry Pi? Wait, it says it's software though. Arduino is an Italian open source hardware and software company, project and user company that designs and manufactures single board microcontrollers. Oh, so it is like a Raspberry Pi. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm not very good with hardware. I'm more of a... To be honest, I was about to say I'm more of a website builder, but then I'm not good at that either, so I can't say that. Yeah, what am I good at? I don't know. I just dabble in website building and 3D graphics, I guess.
Touch me. Touch me. Touch me harder.
I'm locked in. Oh, just kidding. Now I'm locked in.
Touch me. Touch me harder. Touch me. Touch me harder.
Spin it.
Touch me.
We got a 50, boys. Oh. Wow, okay. We hit 2 milestones at the same time. 35, woo! Yay! And also 50, yay! You got 50, woo! Peachy says, don't worry, I'm also pretty bad at hardware and software. Fair, you got 50! Speedrunning rank 1. Have you tried Godot? Oh, I have not tried Godot. I've tried Unity. Yeah, I've dabbled in Unreal Engine and I've used more Unity in the past. Dude, there was a time where I actually just used Unity for everything because that was the only thing I knew how to use. Like, I didn't know how to do HTML, CSS, React, any other framework for building websites. Any school project, any internship I got, I just used Unity. Like, I once interned at a, what do you even call this? A travel company? I helped a travel company work on their chatbots. And they asked me to build a UI for the chatbot because all they had was the, what do you call it? The API? Yeah. So why is my music stopped? There we go. Yeah. Yeah, I built the UI off Unity. Because I actually asked them, like, can I build in Unity? Because if I build in Unity, I can do it super fast. I was really quick with Unity UI, at least at that time. I haven't used Unity in a while though. And they were like, yeah. PG says, lol, Unity can be used for websites and UI. I mean, technically you can deploy it to a website, right? You can do that. Yeah, you can export it in a browser format and export it. It's just that you might get the Unity logo in the beginning that says made by Unity. Yeah, Yeah, I literally told them up front in the internship that I can do this really fast in Unity, but the catch is you might not be able to use it. Because you'll only be able to use it for the demo. And they were actually like, yeah, that's fine. Because they just want me to demo the backend that I built. They don't actually want to, you know, use it in production. The UI people will handle it. That's a different department. So I built the UI. I literally reconstructed what they already had on their website, their chatbot, in Unity. And when I demoed it, nobody could tell. Yeah. I made sure to load the chatbot before the demo so it doesn't say made by Unity. And I look so good in the demo. Yeah, in the internship demo. Should I talk about this internship again? I feel like I talked about it like twice on stream already. Did you ever see my game, Azriel? Were you the guy who made the... What was it called? The Undertale spin-off. I'm not good with names, sorry. Undertale spin-off guy? I have not checked it off stream, unfortunately. BG says, lol, they are chill. Mine would have killed me for using it. I think Bonetail. Sorry, I forgot. It's Bonetail. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, Azriel made Bonetail. Go check it out. It's pretty cool. Bonetail. It's apparently Undertale, but with new characters. But yeah, should I talk about what I did during this internship? There's lots of new people here. Basically, I worked for... I worked for a travel company. They have a customer service chatbot on the lower right corner of their screen, right? This was before the age of ChatGPT, by the way. Like, chatbots sucked at this point. It's basically, they use reinforcement learning, but even that was really bad. It can only answer certain skills if you explicitly define it. So they asked me to basically make a easier way to train their chatbot. I finished that project kind of quickly, so I had extra time. And they asked me to look into Microsoft Azure Lewis, which is actually, I looked into this recently. Azure Lewis is now deprecated because ChatGPT is a thing now. Language Understanding Overview. It's a Microsoft Cloud service. What is language understanding? Well, it doesn't say now here, but this is currently deprecated because ChatGPT. Well, anyways, you know what I did because I had extra time during the internship? They asked me to explore Azure Lewis, and I made a chatbot feature that analyzes JoJo references. Like, it recognizes JoJo references. So what I did was I made a web parser, and I was so proud of this because I wasn't good at coding. I made a web parser that parses the official, well, unofficial JoJo fandom wiki page. JoJo fandom wiki. Yeah, the fandom wiki page. And what it would do is it would find relevant sentences or quotes from the top 10 most popular JoJo characters. So my chatbot will be able to recognize JoJo references. I would feed all of the sentences into Azure Lewis as intents. Wait, no, not as intents. The characters were the intents, and the sentences related to them were training data, basically. So anyways, this is a travel company, right? You might be wondering, like, why does a chatbot from a travel company need to recognize JoJo references? Well, hey, I justified it. I found a business use for it. So, if you type in a JoJo reference into the chatbot, it recognizes the JoJo references, and it makes trip recommendations based on the JoJo references. For example, if you typed Muda 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 Muda, it'll be like, oh, you're making a reference to Dio. Dio first appears in whatever arc, maybe arc 3. Arc 3 takes place in Egypt. Would you like to book a trip to Cairo, Egypt? And it would recommend you a trip package. Yeah. Huh. But yeah, again, this was before the age of ChatGPT. You can probably guess how old I am. I am based on that. Yeah. The thing was, this only worked like half the time because, you know, AI sucked at this time. And I knew full well that it sucked. And in the intern demo, I actually demoed this. I asked for live audience participation. Like, does anyone want to come up with JoJo references from the audience? I knew there were like anime fans in the audience because in their Slack channel, the company Slack channel, there was a Slack group chat for anime lovers. They're like a anime lovers channel or something. Yeah, so anyways, during the intern demo, I actually, after I made my like main demo, I demoed off the JoJo reference feature, and I actually asked for live audience participation for audiences to make JoJo references. And this dude, I think he asked me to type in Purple Hermit, and I like panicked because I didn't know what Purple Hermit was. I never watched that part. I had only watched like JoJo Part 2 up to that point, I think. So like, oh, I never tested this before. I don't know what this reference is. There's no way for me to like like fake this or anything. Okay, so I just typed it in, and I think it made a reference to some dude. I already forgot what dude it came back with. And then it made a trip recommendation. And I was like, is that right? And he was like, that's right. And I looked so good. I looked so good during the demo. And they gave me a return offer. My boss, when he gave me the return offer, was like, yeah, it was a no-brainer. You went above and beyond. Because I did the actual project, and then I did a whole extra project in secret on my own. Man, back when I had infinite time, back when they didn't expect anything from me, and I had extra time to do secret stuff. Joseph Joestar? Oh, that's probably a Joseph Joestar. PG says this might have been a really good PR thing probably for them. Wait, I'm trying to think. They would probably get in a lot of trouble, right? For copyright reasons, for using JoJo in their chatbot. But yeah, I think some higher up person was there during the intern demo. I forgot who, but some higher up official was there during the demo, and he asked me like, what do you think is the application of what you made? I was able to tell him like really well, of course, of my main project, but I kind of didn't know what to say for the JoJo feature, because I was like, I didn't even think they would consider this. And then I was just like, I don't know. I guess it would be really funny if you guys use it. But then he came back with a really good point. He was like, if our chatbot can actually recognize, I don't know, if people are interested in, for example, skateboarding, and they typed in, I like skateboarding, and we recommended them places related to skateboarding, that would be really useful too. I was like, oh, that's a good point. You can help people find, like, help people identify places that they're interested in, depending on what they're interested in, right? In real life. That is an application. You know what? What if I tried to make this today, but with ChatGPT? It would do a superb job. Like, I had to parse the entire JoJo fandom wiki to get this to work. ChatGPT already has access to the entire internet. PG says, it would be tough to explain why you added a freaking JoJo reference catcher in the chat bubble. But yeah, this would be so easily implemented with ChatGPT today. there's no need to parse wikis yourself because ChatGPT already has access. It's already parsed for you. There's no need to parse wiki. Man, why did I do so much work in the past? Oh yeah. You want to hear something sad? I think I discussed this on stream too. After the age of ChatGPT, the entire chatbot department from that travel company I interned at, they all got laid off because, you know, ChatGPT. Why put so much effort in reinforcement learning when ChatGPT works out of the box, you know? Yeah, it's pretty sad. I didn't actually accept their return offer. I went with some other company, but I did see on LinkedIn that, you know, everyone became open to work, which is really sad. Yeah, ChatGPT automating jobs. It's pretty sad. Well, if you can't beat him, join him. Gotta join the AI revolution. Can we actually get a high score? I want to try to get a 60, and then I'll probably leave this stream. You guys think I can get 60? I'll just treat the completion status as 60. Okay. Can I do it upside down? Should I do it upside down? Or like this? You know what? I'll do it normally. Start.
Touch me harder. Touch me harder. Touch me harder. Touch me. Touch me.
Frick.
Touch me. Touch me harder.
Oh my goodness.
Touch me.
I'm locked
Touch me
in.
harder. Touch me harder. Touch me. Touch me harder. Touch me harder.
Oh, I got it, guys. I got 60. Oh, why did I get such a rush from that? Dang, exactly 60. PG says, that sounds good. Like one can add a mood. 1/hobby, one like depending on your vibe and closest position to where you live, while adding how much distance the customer is willing to travel to. Yeah, like a trip recommendation system. Oh, my heart is actually beating so fast right now. Why is this so intense? Okay. Oh. Yeah. It's hard to compete with the chatbot. Also, hey, high score. Yeah. Thank you. But yeah, I don't think they had that feature at all in the past. They just had the user had to manually enter what trips they want. There's no recommendation system for recommending trips to the user. By the way, guys, now that this 3D Bop It game is minimally done, I know it's not perfect. Like there's lots of bugs. Like the music doesn't reset. It still keeps on going really fast when you're at game over. But hey, I'm done with this for now. I'm trying to decide what my next project should be. You know what I'm thinking? I want to make a 3D tic-tac-toe. Images, 3D tic-tac-toe. This thing, I actually have this set at home. Like my cousin gave me and my brother a set. But I want to be able to like not care about the laws of gravity for 3D tic-tac-toe. Like you don't have to drop it all the way to the bottom. I think that would be cool. Also, I want to add a twist to it. I want to add ChatGPT to this game somehow. I don't know. Has this ever happened to you? You're just like, oh no, tic-tac-toe, it's so boring. What do I do? How do I make it more fun? Well, first you make it 3D. That's how you increase the challenging aspect of it. But you're like, oh, tic-tac-toe, there's no like consequence to it. I don't feel like really strongly about losing or winning. Well, hey, what if the loser of the game gets assaulted? Like verbally assaulted. See, I plan to add ChatGPT to this game. If you lose, you will get verbally berated. Okay, yeah, berated is a better word than assault. You will get verbally roasted by ChatGPT if you lose. In the beginning of the game, we will have them fill out a form telling them about themselves. Like, I don't know, what is your biggest fear? Tell me about yourself. Well, what are you most vulnerable in? Well, I mean, what is your biggest vulnerability? But what they don't know is that we will use them towards them at the end. ChatGPT will read, I don't know, their about me, and they will roast them like there's no tomorrow when they lose. Did you say that you have daddy issues? ChatGPT will take advantage of that. You say you're afraid of spiders? Well, ChatGPT will take advantage of that too. So now there's a consequence for losing. Now you don't want to lose. So yes, I'm going to make 3D tic-tac-toe, but loser gets roasted by ChatGPT. I think that's my next project. I think I've got basic 3D point and click down, so I'm going to make like a 3x3x3 square, and then if you click on a square, depending on what player you are, X and O's will appear in 3D, and then depending on who loses, you get roasted by ChatGPT. That's the concept. Add a TTS also, lol. That would be funny, actually. I don't care anymore. Or the Reddit or any social media account and then roast them? Maybe. Sounds difficult to implement. Well, at least I don't know how that will work. Alright. I think I'm done for today. Thank you to everyone who came. This was a really nice day. Oh, I should also mark the progress bar. We're done, yay, completion. We deployed the app. We got a high score of 60. Today is a good day, woo. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Dang, I didn't think deploying would be like this fast. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Bye. See y'all next week, Saturday. I stream on Saturdays usually, unless I'm sick or too busy or whatever. Bye. It already exists. 3D tic-tac-toe. 3D tic-tac-toe online. Oh wait. Apps on Google Play. That's not exactly what I'm going for. I guess that's more what I'm going for, but I want it to be prettier. Well, I say prettier, but I'm not good at 3D graphics, so. Alright, bye guys. See y'all next week. Also, thanks Z for the raid. That was really nice of you. PG says, no, I meant the roast when using social media. Oh. We might be able to take advantage of that then. Alright, see ya.